Hey everyone, welcome back to ZE Honest Lens. Today we examine gene editing, a topic that consistently creates more heat than understanding. No agenda, just honest analysis. As biology transforms into code, we're no longer asking if we can rewrite life's fundamental instructions. We're asking what it means to change our own nature. This conversation matters because the technology shaping our future is advancing faster than our ethical frameworks. We need to look past fear and hype to clearly see both the profound promise and the quiet risks. Section 1. The story. Gene editing has moved from laboratory curiosity to clinical reality in record time. Scientists can now pinpoint and modify specific DNA sequences with unprecedented precision. This breakthrough applies across agriculture, helping build climate-resilient crops and medicine, actively targeting disorders like sickle cell anemia. The urgency here isn't about theoretical possibility, it's about velocity. Regulatory systems are struggling to keep pace with a tool that blurs the line between healing and enhancement, treating individuals while silently altering generations. We are rewriting our biological blueprint long before we've agreed on how to responsibly hold it. Section 2. Root cause. Why does this tension run so deep? Gene editing forces a direct collision between our urgent desire to conquer suffering and our quieter need to preserve meaning within natural limits. Both sides operate on the assumption that control over biology equals progress. Yet, technological capability rarely outpaces collective wisdom. By treating the human body as a system to optimize, we risk shifting our relationship with nature from stewardship to control. This isn't just a scientific milestone, it's a philosophical crossroads where mastering genetic destiny brings liberation, but also threatens to erode what makes us fundamentally human. Section 3. Side A. On one side, compassion and moral urgency drive the narrative. Proponents view gene editing as a paramount humanitarian instrument. If a specific mutation causes chronic pain or severe disability, correcting it is widely seen as an ethical imperative. From this vantage point, refusing to use safe technology to prevent suffering constitutes its own failure. The vision extends far beyond individual relief. It's about ending hereditary burdens for future generations and potentially building biological resilience against shifting environmental challenges. This isn't just about science, it's about empathy in action. Section 4. Side B. On the other side, concerns are equally grounded in reality. Critics highlight substantial risks surrounding safety, equity, and philosophical boundaries. Biological edits carry the danger of off-target effects, permanent, heritable changes that future generations cannot consent to. There is also profound fear of socioeconomic stratification. If gene editing becomes commercialized, it may disproportionately benefit the wealthy, creating a biological divide where advantage translates directly into superior health or longevity. Section 5. Honest lens analysis. When we step back, the conflict reveals our quiet transition from subjects of nature to authors of our own biology. A hidden risk in both narratives is biological resilience. A genome optimized for specific traits may become unexpectedly vulnerable to unforeseen pathogens or environmental shifts. We are also navigating the persistent tension between individual autonomy and collective responsibility. Actions taken on a personal genetic level inevitably create ripple effects across shared gene pools and social structures. The root challenge: we are operating without mature ethical infrastructure, forcing us to balance the relief of curing disease against irreversible consequences without historical precedent to guide us. Section 6. practical lessons, and key takeaways. So how do we navigate this responsibly? Technology never creates outcomes in a vacuum. It amplifies the structures and intentions surrounding it. We must develop governance models that advance at the same pace as our scientific capabilities. Practically, gene editing should be viewed as a privilege of necessity, not a right of optimization. As we hold the mechanism to rewrite our biological future, the question extends far beyond what we can edit to who we are becoming through this act. True progress lies not only in technical precision, but in the depth of our collective reflection on wielding such power. The path forward requires balancing our deep desire to eliminate suffering with a respectful recognition of natural limits. What kind of society do you think we're building as we edit our DNA? Share your perspective below. Hey everyone, this has been ZE Honest Lens. Stay curious, stay grounded, and keep examining the lens through which we view our future.